So let's get wine, maybe.
Where are we gonna get wine? Trader Joe's?
Or Target, does it matter?
Yeah, it's cheaper than Trader Joe's.
Really?
Yes.
But how much?
50 cents.
Really?
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna get wine first. Where are we going?
I thought you said Trader Joe's.
Oh yeah. Well, where are we going?
Oh. We're gonna go to Presidio.
Very good.
To go try to eat what we missed last week.
Mm-hmm. That's right. Very good. Okay, so Trader Joe's. Which Trader Joe's should we go to? We'll do Stonestown. It's on the way.
Okay.
Yay! I'm excited. You excited, babe?
Yes. I'm excited for food, mostly.
Food and wine. All right.
And wine.
There you go. I walk so heavy.
Yeah, we walk like that.
I do, and so when I walk and I'm recording, you can hella see my steps.
Like it's bouncing?
It's not like you.
What?
Like when you walk, it's still smooth. How do you do that? Why are you so steady? I walk like a dude, and you walk like a girl.
Well, I walk normal.
Are we gonna get cheese?
I'm eating over there.
Our go-to wine.
Always.
So for the cheese, we always try and get the smallest one. Is it okay to get this cheese, babe? Okay. See, so we always eat this with our wine, but I always like to find the smallest one. Because...
I bought the chocolate from home too.
Oh, good. Yay. Thanks, babe. See, 463. This is a little game we like to play, 447. Or that I like to play. Because I'm weird. 344. 360. Ooh, there's smaller ones over here. I'm so obnoxious. 431. 447. See, they might look smaller, but they're not. Alright, I think that's the winner. 344.
Got it?
Yeah.
Cool.
So we are here, and this is what we got going so far.
Yeah. Made it finally. Hungry.
My lemony Brussels sprouts is still there. I'm definitely gonna get that.
I order it now, but it's no line.
Later, I have to find somebody with square. No Polito. Fine and rare. Cholita Linda. El Porteño. Wings. Chicken wings. Cute. Rosamunde. See, some of them have square, the whole beast. Burger. You see anything that you liked here? Or you want to check out the trucks? What do you feel like, I guess, is a better question.
This whole thing is throwing me off. I'm not used to like looking at a little...
Okay, let's go to the other side then. Hey!
Got more blankets!
More blankets! What'd you guys get? Sausages? Bite it, babe.
And in Concord in August,
Yeah.
we have it One next, Babyface, Jagged Edge.
What?
Black
Where?
In Concord?
Where?
I don't know, whatever.
Go look.
Yeah.
Go look. I don't know.
Say hi. Hi. Awesome. Erwin, say hi. Say hi, guys.
Wait up.
It looks good. Hi, guys. Check this out. We got a free wine from that lovely gentleman over there.
That's from the garbage can.
Yeah,
This is garbage. This is not. But he placed it so very neatly inside the trash.
As long as there's no poo in the trash.
We're in the Presidio, okay? It's safe here. It's all good.
Yeah, come up.
I would be like this.
I don't think we're going to see. We're gonna get drunk.
You want to try it? Here.
Oh yeah.
It's good. You
Yeah.
can tell.
It's better because it's from the garbage.
It's fancy. Hold on, I gotta put this.
Yeah, right.
It's a 2. It's good.
Hey, this is the spot though. We can keep asking people. Hey, is that fried? Is that
Wait, are you trying that? Yeah, no. We'll take it.
Oh man, that's really
See? Y'all are lucky I'm so ruthless. I'm like, whatever.
It's nice to date a Ratchet. You get free stuff, you know, like.
Sorry, that's your Ratchet ass girlfriend.
Oh, I know. I knew that was coming.
They're leaving us.
Don't forget me.
Don't forget me.
Don't forget me. So Mom Napa. Mom Napa.
From the garbage.
From the garbage. That's right.
Oh shit! Someone's drunk.
I can't. I'm already done.
That's not gonna.
Now you see why we can't really drink anymore.
This picky ass seagull don't like my popcorn. Watch. Psst. Aw. Hey. Nope, he don't like it. He flew away. I swear he ate the first one, but he spit it out. He spit it out. No. They're the only ones left. But there's no more tents, no more nothing. What you doing on the club on the Thursday? He's done. This is all that's left from our lovely bunch of food. This is actually pretty good with the wine. So we're just winding down now. With the music in the background. Pretty good. I was trying to feed the seagulls, but apparently they don't like the Trader Joe's world's puffiest corn puffs.